We're literally walking on the Flight of Passage right now. We waited at 8 o'clock when the park opened, and then they're just walking the line. So hopefully we'll get on it fast. My mom's running behind me. She's running. They're running. Oh my god, it's so pretty here, guys. And I love that Walt Disney World has fans in their lights. This is our journey through Flight of Passage Q. Let's see, oh my gosh. This is really cool. I'm gonna turn the camera around so they can see. Ah, it's too bright. We're going inside, guys. Oh. Air conditioning. Oh, this is cool. Day at the parks. I'm really sad. But this morning was awesome. What did we do this morning, Mom?
We got up at the crack of dawn and we went to Flight of Passage and we got on in no time.
Yeah, it was awesome. It was a good idea from my dad. He said that we should get up early and head over to Animal Kingdom because Flight of Passage was a ride that he definitely wanted to get on multiple times, and so did we. And we ended up getting there crack of dawn, like 8 o'clock. They let us in at about 8:30. It let us in early to the ride. Unfortunately, the people that we were sitting next to, the man was a little bit, the restrictions were applying to him, so he actually had to leave the ride. And his son was, poor thing, his son was screaming the whole time. He was really scared to get on the ride. Once the ride started, he started screaming and crying and felt really bad. But nonetheless, we had a super fun time on the ride. So today we're back at Magic Kingdom for the whole day. We actually scrapped the plan that I had planned for my parents, which was to go to tea and give them a massage.
Which was very sweet.
But we decided, I miss Magic Kingdom too much. I almost started crying yesterday thinking we were gonna leave it. So I said, let's go back again. Which means I get to meet Gaston again, so hopefully I don't mess that up and make a fool out of myself. So we're gonna see if we can go try that. We have class passes for Astro Blasters, or no, Astro Orbiter, that's what that's called.
Okay.
And then we also have Pirates. And then at the end of the night, we're gonna be watching Happily Ever After. We saw Happily Ever last night, actually. We were able to go on Main Street, and it's amazing. It is so good. So we're really excited to actually be able to sit down and enjoy the show again. But yeah, and have dessert and maybe champagne. I don't know if they're gonna have champagne.
I was gonna say, do they have champagne?
I don't know, I can't remember. But if they do, then I can drink it. So yeah. Let's hope I actually have vlog footage. I apologize if my vlogs are really short. I wanted them to be super long from this trip, but I've honestly just wanted to enjoy moments and not necessarily film all of them. So I filmed a lot of character interactions.
So she'll just have to come back?
So I'll just have to come back. That's my invitation to come back. But this is my makeshift outfit. This is probably my least favorite outfit that I've worn, only because I haven't put any thought into it. So I have my Beauty and the Beast shirt, my ears that Rowan gave me, and then just some black shorts. So, I mean, I'm pulling it off, I guess, but so yeah. We are So here for the Happily Ever After dessert party. It's super cool. We got a really good view of the castle. Then we got some sparkling cider. We got some brownie cheesecake bites, some chocolate covered strawberries. This is a raspberry and vanilla macaroon. They had this like marshmallow chocolate tart thing, and then a red velvet cupcake. And I think Mom got pretty much what I did. Red velvet cupcake, the s'mores tart thingy, and then the cheesecake bites. Are you excited for the fireworks?
Yes, I very much so. Yes, I very much so.
Yes, I very much so. It's been a long day.
There's a little kids kebab thing, and it's got like a Rice Krispie treat and chocolate.
Ooh, that sounds good.
I don't know if you have to be...
When did I get? You can get whatever you want.
I don't know if you have to be...
Ooh, what's that purple thing?
Oh, that was the villainous...
Oh, the villain's chocolate cupcake. Ah, the castle looks so pretty. I'm gonna miss it.